Once you are on a full unrestricted diet post your gastric band procedure, it is your responsibility to work in partnership with your gastric band to maximise your weight loss. One key element I would like you to follow in order to achieve this is to focus on chewing, not drinking your food. You might be wondering, what does Helen mean by this? We want to limit the calories going through the band too easily. Liquid calories that require little chewing, for example, such as the orange juice. This glass of orange juice has the calories of at least 4 to 5 oranges within that one glass. With the gastric band, you can consume this full glass of orange juice very quickly and easily. Within 30, 60 seconds, down it goes. However, if I asked you to sit down and slowly work through physically chewing the oranges instead, you might find that a little bit difficult. I'm pretty confident you might even give up. That is what I mean by chewing, not drinking your food. Follow this one principle and you will limit the calories going through the gastric band.